How to send money from Binance to Perfect Money? Hello and welcome to our channel Web Quiz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send money from Binance to Perfect Money, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first step is to get into your account and then go into wallet, because there, if I go to overview, you're gonna find like different places where you can have your money. So what do we need by now is to have our money here on funding. So for that reason, I'm going to Fiat and Spot again here on wallet. What I'm going to try to do is to click on transfer here on top, and this is going to Fiat and Spot to the funding place. Okay, so we must select our token. Let's suppose this is USDT, sorry, and the amount is gonna be 1,000. By now I don't have that amount, but you must confirm, and in that way, if you go back into your wallet and the overview, that must be there in funding. Once you have your money there, you must go into trade and then go into P2P, because this is gonna be with some other people, and our interest is to sell our USD in order to receive, okay, I'm going to confirm this, our money in Perfect Money. So in this payment section, all payments, we're going to select just Perfect Money, and there are going to be several clients where that you can have your transaction done. I suggest you that you select a person that has a lot of orders and also a big percent of completion. So for instance, I guess this is the best person as in crypto, and you must to click on sell USDT to select the amount that you want to make with the USDT, so you will receive this, and then you must to set your payment method. So you must click on this adding symbol in order to complete all the data of your Perfect Money account. Once you have done that, you must confirm, and in that way you're going to send your money from Binance to Perfect Money. Thanks for watching.